I decided to pop on and share this before I get carried away and forget. I'm working on another cover. This is a piece of a Lucky Charms cereal box. Here's the other piece. This is actually going to be for me. It's going to be a binder or storage solution for my ephemera. I saw something that gave me this idea of how to do it. I have some clear vinyl at home that I'm going to use for the pockets. So for now, while I'm here until I go home, I'm just working on the cover and getting it ready so that when I get home, all I have to do is add the pages. I know this doesn't look like much right now, but this is the inside of what will be my ephemera book. It's very long and big. I made it out of, I think it was a Fruit Loops and Lucky Charms boxes. So it's actually going to be a book with a flap that closes it in the front. So it is big, but this is the beginnings of it.